This is Latha, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals. Today we'll be talking about black rice. As we all know, rice is our staple food of both the states Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Every square of meal we consume rice. Now that we are landing up with multiple health issues by taking white rice like diabetes, obesity, and also other health ailments. Now that we have different varieties of rice available which are much healthier than white rice. For example is the black rice. So black rice, the color itself is black because of the presence of pigments called anthocyanins. They have good amounts of phenolic compounds, flavonoids. They act like antioxidants. They tend to reduce the free radical damage in the body. This will increase the longevity of a person, keeps the health in a proper way. So this is better recommended than any other rice. Apart from that, if you look at the nutritive value of black rice, it has same amount of calories when compared to your white rice. It gives you around 346 kilocalories of energy, around 4 grams of fat in terms of healthy essential fatty acid. It has got 10 grams of protein. Usually rice gives us 6 grams of protein, but black rice has got good amounts, 10 grams of protein, similar to wheat. It is also having good amounts of fiber, approximately 6 grams of fiber we get from this black rice. So it is having good amounts of amino acids like tryptophan and lysine. Altogether it has 18 amino acids. So basically this makes it more nutrition in terms of all the macronutrients. Apart from macronutrients, it has loads of micronutrients like B complex vitamin, thiamine, riboflavin in the outer covering of it. It is also having good amounts of calcium, zinc, selenium and iron. So we have got a lot of health benefits from this particular black rice. So it gives you early satiety. That means you feel full when you take this rice and you don't feel hungry for next 4-5 hours. It gives you the satiety and fullness. It keeps the blood sugars under control because of its high fiber content. It lowers the cholesterol because of its high fiber. It binds with the body fat and it removes out in the stools. Because of the fiber, it is lowering the cholesterol. It helps in improving the heart health. It is having good amounts of calcium when compared to white rice. It is better for your bones. Because of its beta carotene content in that anthocyanins, it is good for your eye health and also for your skin health. Overall, it reduces your blood glucose because of the low glycemic index. Because of the fiber content, it will reduce the risk of heart issues and it lowers the LDL cholesterol. Because of its multiple micronutrients which are beneficial like zinc, selenium, phosphorus, calcium, it is good for overall well-being of a human being. It is rich in fiber, relieves us from constipation. So basically it is good for diabetes, heart ailments, for obesity, for people who are constipated, eye health of a pediatric to geriatric and skin health. And because of the flavonoids and polyphenolic compounds, it improves our immunity also. Overall, this black rice is supposed to do miracles if taken in limited amounts along with a balanced diet. So we can happily replace a white rice with black rice. It is no more of a cereal grain. It is considered as a nutraceutical or a functional food which helps in improving our better outcome of health. Thank you.